Okay, so for 9.3, 3 through 6, basically I know you could guess and, guess and just go through the problems, but I do want to explain that there are ways for you to tell what's going on. So remember, for the parabola, there's only one x squared or y squared term, so the parabola should be fairly easy for you to identify. Just look for the one problem or problems, depending on how many you get, what's going on. If it only has one x squared or one y squared, it doesn't have both an x squared and a y squared. I should say, probably is more clear, not both. Then you have the parabola. The next one that's probably the easiest is the last one that we did, is the hyperbola, because that has a positive and a negative x squared and y squared. So in other words, it has an x squared and a y squared, but one's positive, one's negative. That's when you're going to identify it as the hyperbola. The ellipse and the circle are a little bit closer together, and so I save those for the end. They both have a positive x squared and a positive y squared. So they're very similar to each other, but the leading, what I call the leading coefficients, right? Well, I don't call them that. That's what we call it in math. So when you look at leading coefficients, that's the number that's in front of the x squared and the y squared. So whatever number's in front is called the coefficient. Now, if they're the same, it's a circle. If they are different, then it's an ellipse, and that's why the ellipse gets stretched in one direction more than the other. So that should help you identify 3 through 6.